Where we come from defines where we're going. Hi, my name is Stephen Bew. I'm a sales manager with Zebra Technologies, and I have the privilege today to be speaking with Jerry DiCunzolo, owner and CEO of Power-Flo Technologies. By way of background, Jerry was born in 1959 in the Bronx, moved to Rocky Point, New York. During his teenage years, he went on to graduate from high school in 1977. Being a member of the Boy Scouts helped shape his leadership skills. He became an Eagle Scout at age 14, an honor typically reserved for scouts much later in their teenage years. Throughout his youth and young adulthood, Jerry held many leadership positions. At NYU Polytech, he was student body president for 4 years and became president of his local IEEE Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers chapter. Coming from immigrant parents, both hard work and confidence were instilled in him at an early age. Jerry's father's first job in the United States was at General Electrical Specialty in Jamaica, Queens, where he ultimately became a partner with two of his coworkers. Following in his father's footsteps, Jerry joined the company and in 1984 bought out one of his father's partners. Finally, in 1992, he bought out his father. Some additional background. He's happily married to his wife Rhonda for 42 years. He has three children. He's an avid fisherman, collects and refurbishes cars. So with that, hi Jerry.
How you doing there, Stephen?
I'm good. All right, let's dive right into this. For those people in the audience who don't know Power-Flo Technologies, could you give us a brief overview of Power-Flo and what industries you serve?
Sure. Power-Flo Technologies is a unique collection of several companies that provide supplies, services, and solutions to various industries. We had very, very humble beginnings in the motor and pump repair industry, where we repaired electric motors and pumps. Eventually, we grew into building control panels. Then we started buying smaller companies and then larger companies over the years, where now we consist of 12 locations and 320 team members and provide supplies, services, and value-added solutions to many, many industries, predominantly the multi-tenanted residential market, the OEM market, the MRO market. We also do have several manufacturing companies where we manufacture submersible pumps through 50 horsepower. We have three UL 508 panel shops where we design industrial control panels. We also are a Siemens systems integrator for motor control centers, and we have a robotics training center. And we're more recently very excited to be involved with Zebra on the vision end.
Great. What sets Power-Flo apart from other distributors that you compete with?
The real differentiator is our engineering staff. I'm an electrical engineer. We have about 50 other engineers, mainly electrical, but some mechanical. And we're constantly solving real-time problems that people have with cost-efficient solutions, where we utilize the many products that we distribute for, and we take these products and apply them in a unique way to solve our customers' problems. So I would say that's the main differentiator. Listen, we sell commodity items like pipe and wire, but I would say our value-added solutions are really what sets us apart from other people.
Okay. What geographic areas do you service for Zebra?
So we started out in Jamaica, Queens, but have subsequently branched out to all 8 New England states. We go from South Jersey to Maine, throughout the whole state of New York. However, many of our clients are international in nature, and we've been known to follow them around the world wherever they have installations.
What current vertical markets do you service through Power-Flo, and how do you see Zebra Vision products providing solutions to those customers?
We're very excited about the offering that Zebra has. The markets that we serve range from pharmaceutical through building management systems, machine buildings, OEMs, packaging, automotive, solar, semiconductor. We do a lot with warehouse and distribution logistics, and we also deal with aerospace, food and beverage, and the military.
What does Zebra do for your customers that your competition doesn't do today?
Well, Zebra has a unique offering of software tools where they implement AI and can take you from the beginning of the solution all the way through the end. The difficulty with vision problems, many times it's the lighting and the focus, and Zebra has a unique family of tools that help you get going right away and really bring a lot of value and get you to the end much quicker.
What lines or solutions are being provided by Power-Flo where machine vision or AI can provide more of a value-added proposition?
We again really do things from the beginning to completion. We provide proof of concept where we'll grill the customer and ask them what their problem is, and then we'll take different products to solve that problem. And as I mentioned earlier, lighting and resolution and speed of the product all make things more complicated. But Zebra has a full suite of software products that'll make this job a lot easier. We also have an in-house lab where customers can give us samples of the products that they're trying to solve a vision problem with, and we'll mock it up in our lab, and we can duplicate the issues that they're having in the field, and this really enables us to solve problems much more quickly. We also have on-staff engineers across varying disciplines, which will lend itself to coming to a speedier solution. We get factory support from Zebra on the many products that they offer, and this really ties into a lot of the other things that we do, from our own manufacturing to our Siemens motion control specialists, our networking, our SCADA, Siemens' unique offering of software products called TIA Portal. In addition, we are also a universal robot systems integrator and training facility. People come to our facility and get trained on programming of universal robots and receive a certification. We developed a very unique product called RoboScan 360, which takes Zebra products and takes multiple pictures of a spline, which we rotate through the axis. And this measurement of this spline used to take about 9 man-hours manually, and we're scanning and measuring that with a greater degree of accuracy in about 15 seconds.
Wow. Can you provide an example of a recent solution you worked on using Zebra?
We have a long history of solving problems. The difficulty in vision systems is the optical character recognition part of the problem. You have a camera, you're trying to figure out what you're looking at, and Zebra's unique set of software tools helps us solve very complex problems. If you could imagine a crescent wrench with a shiny silver surface with letters embedded in it, and you try to read those letters. The artificial intelligence lens that's available on the Zebra camera systems can be programmed to really differentiate all of those characters.
What continuous innovation are you looking forward to in your partnership with Zebra?
So we're very excited to be partners with Zebra because they've been buying many companies, Matrox and some others, and we've had history with Matrox in the past. And the fact that it's such a large company, we're very happy to team up with them because we can really leverage each other's resources. I would define us as delivering that last mile, and I would look to Zebra as the parent who has all the resources and training to give us help in any of these solutions.
How do you see automation expanding into industries or verticals that typically did not have advanced automation solutions?
Well, if you look at the increase in technology from a semiconductor point of view, it's really been amazing. Anything that can be automated will get automated. There's been a tremendous interest in onshoring and bringing lots of manufacturing back from low-cost countries throughout the world. If you analyze it, robot labor gets you down to about $2 an hour. There's no place on this earth that anybody is working for that wage. So anything that can be set up into a repetitive process where it can be automated will get automated. And there is a tremendous amount of reshoring where we'll have these factories back in the US. And with the help of Zebra's artificial intelligence, we'll get there much sooner.
Could you expand on what you see as the future for automation?
Character recognition, high-speed computing power, artificial intelligence, Moore's law, where the density of the chips doubles every year. Um, the integrated circuits that were used in the lunar landing are so minuscule compared to what we have in computing power now. So we could be doing tens of millions of operations a second and really solving extremely complex problems with artificial intelligence. So I think there's a tremendous upside with taking the combination of the current technology and the existing problems that before now have been unable to be solved with the technology that exists. So we're very much looking forward to taking this new technology and applying it to old problems.
What do you see as the future for Power-Flo Technologies?
We're continuing down the path. I'm extremely fortunate. We have three wonderful children that are in the business, two engineers and an accountant. And we're very excited about continuing down the path of acquisitions. Predominantly, most of my time is spent on key talent hires and looking for companies to buy. And if you look at all the companies that we've bought in the past 39 years, all of them have the same end goal in mind of really just servicing all of our customers' needs. We spend a tremendous amount of time on vertical integration, where from the beginning of a project all the way to the fabrication and implementation, we can handle every aspect of it. So we'll continue down this path, and we're excited to partner with Zebra to add more technologies to our portfolio.
Well, that's great, Jerry. As sales manager with Zebra Technologies, I'm looking forward to continuing to work with your team and to a bright future together with Power-Flo and Zebra.
That sounds great. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.